Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just have a quick haul for you guys. I mentioned on the Little Flower Family Facebook group if you guys wanted to hear about my experience trying out Grove Collaborative. Got my giant box right here of goodies. I don't know about you guys, but my Instagram feed, my Facebook feed has been just covered in ads from this brand called Grove Collaborative. So this isn't sponsored or anything. I'm not working with them. I tried this out on my own and I wanted to share my experience with you guys. It looks really cool. So basically, from my understanding and just like the very minimal research that I did, it's a website, like a subscription website where you pay $19.99 a month. No, not a month, sorry, a year. So basically $20 a year, almost like a Costco membership where you pay this membership and you get discounted items. So on Grove Collaborative, what they do is they make it really easy and affordable for you to shop non-toxic, cruelty-free, eco-friendly products that are like non-toxic and all that kind of stuff. So they have some brands that I'm already really familiar with, and on top of like just signing up and also being like their VIP, I guess they call it, like their membership of $20 a year, there's a lot of free items that you get. So in my opinion, I think that it's worth it. Right now I'm on 30 or 60 day free trial. So all I did was pay for about like $25, $26 for this box of goodies. So I picked out some items and then I got a bunch of free stuff. So I'm gonna try and remember which ones I got for free and which ones I paid for. But yeah, I heard there's like a lot of free stuff that you get, and just this free gift alone totally convinced me, because I was just adding it up together in my head, and I'm like, you're getting a lot of stuff, like good quality products for free. So let's check this out and see what it's all about. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my very first Grove Collaborative haul. Hey, yo. Neighbors just walked by, so I knew she was gonna do that. Hey, it's okay. It's okay, you can lay back down. Not only do I love using brands that are good for the environment, also don't test on animals, but it's also really important, and I didn't realize this, but it's so important to use products, especially cleaning products, that are non-toxic and safe, especially for my dog Zoe, who is, you know, dragging herself around the floor all the time, and just always getting into things. Like, I need to make sure that the products that I'm using are actually good. Right, Zoe? She doesn't really care, but we know that it's good. Okay, so let's start with the items that I bought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there are a total of 5 if I got this correctly. I don't have like my receipt here, but I think I purchased 5 products, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the products in this box were actually free. So I got more free stuff than the amount that I actually purchased. Does that make sense? So I already thought that was super cool. So let me show you guys what I purchased. So this is from the brand 7th Generation. These are the disinfecting wipes, the 70 count. I'm always wiping down the counters or just cleaning up any accidents that Zoe has in the house. So I figured these would come in handy. This is the lemongrass citrus scent. That's not too bad. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. This is my first time trying this out, so I'll let you guys know how this goes. You guys will most likely see these products in my next Clean With Me video. Next, I got the 7th Generation Disinfectant Spray. No rinse required, kills 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. I got this because I've been thrifting a lot lately, and I just started to thrift shoes. So I want to make sure that I'm cleaning out those shoes really, really well before I put them on my own feet. We don't want no fungus or anything, you know? So that's why I picked this up, for the shoes that I thrift. The next thing I got is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Room Freshener. I've never seen this before, but I love a good room spray. This is in Iowa Pine Scent, which I didn't mean to get. I thought I had gotten the lemon scent because I love lemon, but I got this pine one. It smells okay. I don't think I'd repurchase this particular scent. It's just too much of a Christmassy scent, so it's just like, it doesn't match what my nose wants to smell this time of year. So that's the only reason, but I'll still use it. But this scent I probably wouldn't repurchase, at least not this time of year. Next, I got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lemon Verbena Scented Dish Soap. I've used this before. Don't remember what it smelled like though. It's good, it's good. I love lemon scented things. It smells more like a lemongrass kind of scent. Like there's like citrus to it, but there's like a soury kind of citrus, which whenever I think of lemongrass, like that's kind of soury. That's like a sour smell to me. So used this brand a ton of times before and I really like it. So I loved seeing it on the website. And oh, another thing is with the VIP membership, they do like an auto ship. So like when you run out, they'll just automatically charge you and then ship you your products when they run out. So I think that's pretty cool. Because obviously, especially like with cleaning supplies, obviously you're gonna be using them on the regular because if you clean on the regular, and so you're always gonna have to be repurchasing these things. So I like that they have that auto ship. And then the last thing that I purchased myself, this is the Method Squirt and Mop Hard Floor Cleaner in Spearmint Sage. It says surface safe, non-toxic plant base. So this is to clean the floors, obviously. And I love that it's non-toxic for my little Zosie. And yeah, these are all brands I've seen before. I've seen all of these brands at Target, but you can get them for cheaper from the Grove Collaborative, I believe. And I didn't do like a side-by-side comparison, but I believe it is cheaper, especially if you get that VIP membership. You get it at a discounted price, I believe. I hope I'm not like giving you wrong information, but that is just from my basic understanding of the website. So now let me show you guys all of the free stuff I got. So first, look at how cute this little caddy is. This gray caddy. It is adorable. I'm obsessed with it. And then we have the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. And also the lemon, all of these are lemon scented, the lemon verbena scent because it's my favorite from Mrs. Meyer's. Removes dirt, freshens up surface. I've used this before, love it. So I love that it was a free gift. We also have the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap made with olive oil and aloe vera. I don't think I've ever tried their hand soap, or maybe I have. No, I think I have tried their hand soap, but that was a free gift. This one I know I haven't tried, but this is the hand lotion made with shea butter and almond oil. Let's go ahead and try some right now. Which way do you open this? Oh, there we go. Hi, Zosie. I love that lemon scent. Ooh, so nice. Everything is always nicer when it's free, right? Next, we have the Walnut and Cellulose, I don't know what that is, Cellulose Scrubber Sponge, made from renewable plant materials. So we've got a 2-pack here. So awesome. So there's what the walnut scrubbers look like. I am excited to try these out. So weird. I feel like that's how you can tell you're getting older, when you get excited about cleaning and you get excited about cleaning products. Yeah, because I'm actually really excited. And then I also got this, I'll show you guys this one, this glass cleaner, orange and rosemary. That's so interesting. It says twist off top and dispense into a 16-ounce, oh, Grove silicone sleeve spray bottle. Okay. Fill bottle with water, replace nozzle, and shake gently. Oh, okay, okay. So you pour this in, oh, because it's a concentrate. So you pour this into a spray bottle, fill the bottle with water, and then you've got your glass cleaner. Oh, I'm excited to try this little guy. What scent? Orange and rosemary. And then here is the glass bottle. So I'm assuming these two came together. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Look at this, it matches this. Oh, I love this. This is a very nice, big size glass spray bottle. And this does come off if you want it to, but I don't know why you would want to. It's super cute. so I'm gonna leave it on. That's adorable. And this is like the little logo for Grove Collaborative, these little leaves right here. And on top of that, Grove Collaborative, not only do they sell like these brands that you're very familiar with, they also have their own brand, their own line of products, which I definitely want to try next time around. So like my next order, I think maybe I'll try a bunch of the Grove Collaborative stuff and see what I think. I don't know. But I have just been seeing ads about this all over, and it finally like got to me. I'm like, okay, I really want to try this out and see what it's all about. So I'm super excited to try these stuff. I love all of the free things that I got because that was a big amount of free goodies, right? So already that $20 a year that you're spending, like that's already worth it to me. If you guys have tried Grove Collaborative, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to check them out and sign up. And if you want to take advantage of like the free gifts that they're always doing, like they do a lot, like your first order you get like XYZ for free. So if you want to sign up and check it out, you can do that. And then if you don't want to do the membership, you could always cancel it before like the 30 days, 30 or 60 days, I forget what it is, but before that time is up, you can just cancel it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little haul. Let me know what you guys think of Grove Collaborative in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!